guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sponsored video for you that I think you're really going to like. A company, Stencils, reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in looking at some stencil sets that they had that will give you farmhouse signs that are beautiful, and I said sure. So let me show you what they are. They sent me two sets. The first one is the Welcome Stencils, and that has Welcome, Gather, and Farmhouse in these. And I'll take them out in a minute and show you. And then this one is the Grateful set, and it has Grateful, Thankful, and Blessed. And they're really nice signs. Let me get a few things out of the way first. They're $14.97 each, and there's going to be a 20% off coupon down in the description box below, along with the link to order each set or both sets if you want. And the 20% off discount code will give you 20% off your entire order, and it even works for their entire Amazon catalog, so I think that's really good. And so let me tell you what I think about these. I've really enjoyed using these and trying these out. I made a sign with it, and later on I'm actually going to do a tutorial using some of these because I really love them. I didn't have any bleed through when I was using these. I can't say enough good about them. This is the Blessed, and I like the font that they're using. It's like a calligraphy style. And it's like a Mylar, like a 12 milliliter Mylar, and it's very washable, easy cleanup because I did this. It's reusable, which I love because we all know signs at Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's can cost anywhere from $20 up, probably more up, and this way you can just constantly reuse these. And then this is the Thankful one. And they're very sturdy. And then this is the Grateful one that I used. And I'm sure this might be backwards to you. I'm not sure. And then in the Welcome set, like I said, you get Welcome, Gather, and Farmhouse. But I really do like these. But I was able to achieve very clean and crisp results using this. Like I said, I didn't have any bleed through. This says Farmhouse. I just love it. It may be hard for you to see this. Let me try this. This might work better. I should have thought about that first. Okay, this is the Farmhouse. You can see how that turned out. And then this is the Gather. I just really, and I love the additional touches that they added to them. And then this is the Welcome. So that's what's in the Welcome set right here. I just think they're gorgeous, and they make such pretty signs. Now this is the Grateful set. This is the one I used. It looks like this, Grateful. Then we have Thankful. And then the last one in that is the Blessed. And you can definitely see this better. But you couldn't, you can make these over and over again, like I said. And for only $14.97, I think it's a really good deal, plus 20% off. You can't beat that. Now this is the sign that I made. Let me tilt this down just a little bit for you. Okay, and mine says Grateful. And I just took an old board that we had around the house, and then I painted it with the Waverly chalk paint in Truffle, right there. And then I stenciled with the Waverly chalk paint in Mineral. And then I just kind of dry brushed with the Hazelnut Waverly chalk paint, as well as the Mineral, after I had painted everything with the Truffle. But I love the look it gave me. I wanted it to be, you know, my decor is a Tuscany kind of farmhouse. And I love how it turned out. It's just so old looking, and I love how that stencil, I didn't have any problems at all with the stencil. So I really do recommend this company. I think they have really good products, and I was looking through some other things, and they even have like holiday stencils, and I think that would be beautiful, or big long stencils that say welcome that comes down like outside your door somewhere. But I love it. But this gave me great results. Like I said, no problems at all. So I'm very pleased with the product. Like I said, they are $14.97 a piece, and you do get that 20% off discount. And I'd like to thank Essential Stencil for sponsoring this video. And I'll have all the information to order, the links down below, as well as the discount coupon. And like I said, I really do like how this turned out. And I think if you love Farmhouse and you like to make signs, I think you'll really like this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.